All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. For all of y'all who are new to the channel, I'm Keith, and this is my beautiful daughter, Cameron. And we're gonna pack and ship orders today. We have a total of how many orders?
13.
13 orders going out, so this is Sunday. So these are orders we have from the weekend. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me get logged in here. The beautiful Cameron has already picked all the items. Thank you so much. Such a doll. Did a great job. Did an awesome job picking all the items. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'll let you do this. You've been working on this a while now. What are you doing? So right now we're on the eBay site, and we are going to the bulk shipping tool, right? So Cameron's hitting the shipping drop down, purchase shipping labels. So now we're at the bulk shipping tool. So we're looking at all our orders here.
Everything looks so big.
I got it on 100%. Is that fine? Or you want it?
It's fine.
All right. First up, Cam, what's up?
These.
Oh yeah.
I wanted these.
These are super cute. So I remember sourcing these, and what caught my eye is the colorway on these Vans. Y'all check that out. It's like I got purple, the green, the yellow. And don't get too attached. She wants to get in all the inventory. She sees a cute pair of shoes. Oh my goodness, I gotta have that. I got to have that. Girl, please.
Sell everything.
I know I do, baby. You know what that is?
No.
This is a garlic press. I remember being at the thrift, and I picked up this garlic press, and what caught my eye is that, what does it say on here? What does it say?
Aurora.
Yeah, made in Switzerland. So this is a Xylus, I believe, garlic press, vintage, made in Switzerland. So this sold for $15 plus shipping. So I had this listed somewhere like, I think maybe 29 bucks. $15 came in as an offer. I said, yeah, let's get it out of here. Probably been in the store maybe 6-7 months. There was an offer that came in maybe a little less than that, and I passed on it. So when this one came, let's get this one on down the road. This is going to Pennsylvania. So thank you, Pennsylvania. We appreciate you. We got some cleats. I love selling my cleats. I love.
Someone doesn't like cleaning them.
Yeah, cleaning them can be involved sometimes, y'all. But man, come like football season, soccer season, spring, fall, cleats do well for us. So that's something that we tend to pick up and do very well on. So this is a pair of baseball cleats. These are some Nike Vapor cleats. These sold for $18.36 plus shipping. And these will be going to Georgia, so we appreciate you, Georgia. It's the first thing we did today. Girl, you not starting out if you tired already. And this is the only thing you did today?
I done stuff today.
What else you did?
I sat in the room like you had your little whiteboard.
Oh, so we had a family meeting today. We had our family planning meeting. And I think it's in the description, but I don't think I've told y'all. So we are a family of 10. So my wife and I have 8 children, and Camry is number 5.
6.
No, you're not.
Yes, I
No,
am.
you're not. Don't confuse me like that. have me feeling bad, like I don't know what number you are. You're number 5.
No, I'm not.
Stop playing.
I thought I was number 3.
Why are you trying to confuse me? That's not cute. So we had a meeting today just to map out the week, talk about the business, what our goals are for the business, what we want to do, what our goals are for YouTube. We're trying to post consistently. So we're trying to map out a strategy for that, and just talking about schedule and activities people have going on, and making sure we have all that covered. So she said she's tired from that because that meeting went a little bit long.
It was 2 hours.
Okay. It was 2 hours.
I'm not a grown up yet, so
That was long for you?
child is not supposed to
That is a long.
in the room.
That is a long. Yep, that's a long meeting. But you were tremendously patient, and I appreciate you so much.
I was getting hungry.
Getting hungry in the meeting. We had to take a snack break, didn't we?
Well, you didn't actually told us. Everyone just started getting
So
hungry.
y'all just left the meeting. That's what you saying?
It's
Comment down below if you just left a meeting before like that, y'all. You was hungry. You got hungry. The meeting was going long, so you just left the meeting. Comment down below if you ever did that. Just walked out of a meeting.
I didn't walk out first. I think Kylie did make it something.
So we got a 2-shoe bundle going out. We're getting it prepped now. First pair goes in. And the thought is that we can slide the second pair right next to it. And I think we can. Sweet. Pair of jeans. We got some Gap bootcut jeans. These are headed to California. And sold for $19.95 plus shipping. Headed to Cali.
Oh, California.
Cameron, do you know your states and capitals?
What?
Do you know your states and capitals?
Yes.
What's the capital of California?
I don't know.
What?
What's the capital again? What's the capital again?
What's the capital?
What's the capital?
You tell me.
I don't know. What's the capital?
Oh, these are just states. The capital of California is Sacramento.
I don't know what that is.
I remember my states in capital.
Oh, I heard Mommy say Sacramento. I thought that was a state.
We're going to have to edit this out so y'all don't see that. No. California is the state. Sacramento is the city.
Wait, what?
California is the state. Sacramento is a city.
Then why are you saying the capital?
What is the capital city?
What?
California is a state. Every state has a capital city.
Why are we saying capitals? There's more capitals than that.
No, see, this is one of your tactics where you try to confuse me.
No!
You're trying to confuse me.
There's more. Wait, hold up.
You're trying to confuse me.
There's more state. No, you said there's more towns. That's what we're trying to say.
No.
You said.
All I asked you was, what's the capital of California? What's the capital of California?
Capital of California is Sacramento.
Yeah.
See, told you I knew.
Yo, you told me you do it. Oh, yeah. She is sharp. She will run circles around you if you let her. Oh, you're looking silly. And she know I'm not lying either. So I don't fall for her schemes. She tries to rope me in and take advantage of me and make me look like an idiot. And I don't fall for that. I don't fall for those schemes. Had me questioning my own existence. Like, oh man, what did I? Yeah. Don't you do that?
No.
Okay, whatever.
Oh,
So these are a pair of Nike Zoom trainers. We also sell sneakers. So we sell clothes and accessories to include hats. We sell media, DVDs, VHS tapes, and also sneakers. We sell sneakers as well. All kinds, men's, women's, dress shoes, youth, boots. We sell all kind of sneakers.
we do?
Yeah, we do.
What mean sneaker? What's a sneaker?
Shoe.
Oh.
I'm sorry. A tennis shoe.
That's what sneakers are?
Yes.
I thought sneakers were
A Snickers bar?
no, I thought sneakers were like stuff like the thing the first item that you sold.
Oh, the cleats?
No. What's they called? Not Vans.
The Vans. So what did you think a sneaker was?
Like, a van.
Sneaker can be... When I think of sneaker, I think like an athletic shoe.
When I hear the word sneaker, I think of skateboarding.
You think of skateboarding? Think of what?
I think of the candy.
And that's a Snickers.
Sneakers is the same thing.
Snickers.
And when I hear sneakers, I think of...
It's
shoelaces.
Snickers. S-N-I-C-K-E-R-S.
Sneakers.
Not sneakers. The candy is a Snickers bar. Same thing.
Sneaker
No, it's
is
not.
Snicker.
Snicker.
Wait, which one is it? A sneaker. A sneaker is the shoe. And a Snickers is the candy.
Snickers is the candy.
Well, it sounds kind of similar.
They do sound similar. All right, y'all. We sorry about that. We back. We had a little equipment malfunction. A little rookie mistake. The camera storage got filled up. So we're back now. So we're working on the DVD now, and we had some good footage too. We were talking, and someone said, you know, I better go check this camera. And when I checked it, what did I find? gonna just roll with this thing. So now, right now we're working on a DVD. We're working on a DVD right now, y'all. If y'all want to know how to wrap a DVD, y'all holler at me. But this is Heather's DVD with Riona Ryder, Christian Slater, and Shannon Doherty. It's sold for $8.95 plus shipping. Headed to Ohio. So thank you, Ohio.
Holla.
Holla where? Where they gonna holler at if they want to know how we do DVDs?
On YouTube.
But what do they holler at? How do they communicate to us and say, hey, we want to know?
What is the thing called?
Let us know in the helper off camera. Where do they need to let us know?
In the comments.
In the what?
Comments.
Thank you.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the YouTube channel.
Oh,
my goodness.
Lord. Lord.
We're all just tired.
Yeah, obviously. So we're not going to show y'all everything because we lost some footage there.
And
We
that's
were on the
not
road.
everything.
So we're just going to show you a few things. Are you going to sing everything I say? Huh? Are you going to sing everything I say? You are really silly. Right now. You are really silly right now. It must be past your
One thing
bedtime.
makes me laugh. I think of other stuff is going.
So you're goofy?
I don't know.
Are you goofy?
I don't know.
Another pair of cleats. Another pair of cleats. These are some Nike Hypervenoms youth cleats. And these are headed to Texas. So for $15 plus shipping, took a best offer on these. So Texas, we appreciate you. We got a nice little Georgetown dry fit. This sold. I just sourced this too. I think I sourced this last week and it sold over the weekend. So that's always good when you get a quick sale. Headed to New York. So we appreciate you, New York. This sold for $17 plus shipping. I took a best offer. I was going for that quick flip and it came through. So this is a pair of Adidas Grand Court black sneakers. And they got some of the, like a little glitter on them.
I want them.
Y'all can see that. These are cute. I like these.
Why don't you give them to me?
You want to buy them?
No.
Okay.
It's probably worth my entire allowance.
Edit that out. That's not anybody's business. Okay. These are Adidas Cloud Foams. These sold for $30 plus shipping. Headed to Wisconsin. So we appreciate you, Wisconsin. All right, Cam, you got that. So we're coming to the end. 2-hat bundle. Headed to
Jamaica.
No, this is going to Alabama. So we appreciate you, Alabama. This is a 2-hat bundle. We got 2 UAB hats. A UAB bowling hat. And this is a UAB, the game hat. So we appreciate that. Going to Alabama.
Sweet home Alabama.
Don't get us copyrighted.
It's not in your shirt.
I don't know.
That, I mean that.
God. Come on, man. Focus on the job, man.
Get paid.
We just packed up the orders from the weekend. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with us. If you want to see more content like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you. I think the last 45 minutes, my daughter here got a little goofy. It's early in the morning, and she is falling apart, y'all. She got the giggle boxes, and
You fall apart.
I'm so thankful that we got this done. So let me go before she starts laughing again. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. We see you.